Rejoice, people of God.
We come to worship the one who created us,
The one who calls us.
the one who equips us.
The one who loves us without end.
Sing a new song.
Make a joyful noise to the Lord.
Let the sea roar.
Let the sky shimmer.
Let the earth be glad.
Bring songs of laughter and wonder. Bring songs of wisdom and strength.
With happy hearts, let us worship with praise.
Come, make a joyful